Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So today I'm going to tell you how you can block number on Android. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So let's get in. Now what you have to do is you just open up apps and then search for contacts, and then open up a contacts app, and there you guys will see you have bunch of different numbers that are stored in your contact list. Now what you have to do is you have to track down the number that you want to block on your Android, so you don't get mail, you don't get SMS or any calls from that number. So for example, for me, I'm gonna be selecting this first number over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit on this, and I'm gonna open up the details of this number that are stored in my mobile phone. All right, so here, as you guys can see, this is a number, and the name, it is just a dummy number, so you guys don't have to try to call it. So once you have opened the details of the account, what you guys have to do is you have to look for the menu. Like for me, I have these three dots on the top right. I'm gonna hit on that, and there you guys can see I have three options that I can do with this number. One is I can delete this contact. Number two is I can link this contact with other contacts, and then I can, the last option, which is block content. So once I hit on this block contact, this account, this number will be blocked, so it won't give me any call or any SMS. Right? So for this course of this video, as I told you how I can tell you how you can block the number. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit on this block contact button, and then as you guys can see, it is asking me, do you want to delete, do you want to block this content because you won't receive any calls or messages from this content from now on. So for just leave it and then hit on this block button. Now your contact will be blocked. As you guys can see, right next to the phone, there is a icon has changed to like some kind of stop sign. So that means our contact is blocked successfully. Let me show you another one so that you guys can check that out as well. So here, as you guys can see, next to a phone, there is no sign because it is not blocked in my phone. So guys, that's how you can block any number that you want. You can block that. So for the course of this video, that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.